DC Night 1.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh no.
Oh, we outside. I'm with y'all now.
We outside.
Where y'all from?
Baltimore.
Not like how you said it. Where y'all from? Louisiana?
Louisiana.
I don't know. I don't know what y'all look like. Y'all look good. I don't know.
We're from up north.
Y'all from North Carolina.
No.
That nigga said up north. He said North Carolina.
No.
We from New York. New York, Jersey area.
Y'all from Camden.
Oh.
Don't do us like that. First of all, absolutely not.
I don't know New Jersey. The only New Jersey I've been to was.
Hey, she just gave me these sunglasses at freaking 1 o'clock in the morning and the night is over. Love that for me. But we're about to try and film some TikToks just to have fun. Everybody else is in the other rooms missing out. I didn't bring a tripod. I was like, I don't need it. Okay, wait, hold on. I'm gonna put y'all. I know it's blurry. Okay, so yeah. Everybody else is in the other room / not here yet. Did I didn't even talk about my wardrobe malfunction. Oh yeah.
Okay. I didn't tell you they would handle it. I waited and waited. Nothing happened. So was that when you called the police because you took us away? I had to tell you to do their job.
Okay, so
2 days before the grand jury.
1, 2, yeah,
Here.
and then it's 1, 2, like just like body roll down, then clap. Then after that, 1, 2, like a little jigger, and then you go 1, 2, or like just do whatever, just make sure your hands move. It's like.
Once upon a time, there was this fairy princess that we called Tom. This summer, USA's funniest man returns.
Yeah. Okay, so start knee, roll, pop, body roll, pop, snap, 1, 2, 1, 2, let.
I wanna be the no matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be time.
Come on, let's take your picture. Put your shoes back. Or do you want to just pop on those? No, you need the both. Yeah.
Soft baked chocolate chip cookies and world famous deep sauce.
Oh my gosh, it's recording.
These two get together.
Starbucks. Oh, at least it's a Starbucks right here in the morning. Niggas for some.
Starbucks, we finna pay $30 for breakfast?
Hell yeah. Now we finna get breakfast at like, she said 12. I hope the fucking people
Delivery.
Gots to have that in the morning. A little something.
Good morning. Today is our first full day. And we're getting ready. It's the rain later, so everybody's dressing hecka chill. And like I said, I already pre-planned the outfits. So I was freaking out a little bit. Then I realized I could just put on my day fits and call it a day. So that's what I'm gonna probably do. Who knows? I have 3 options. Alright, so I have 3 options. I have this dress that I showed you guys. 90% sure I'm not gonna wear it because nobody else is gonna be that dressy. My nails chipped because I was doing something. I have this like just literally pants, and I'm gonna make this top into like a bandeau top probably if I wear that. And then I have a high neck crop and high-waisted pants, which I think I'm gonna end up wearing. So yeah, last night was super fun. Hopefully I got footage because they played me. They were recording me on the little motor scooters, but I don't know if they got good footage for you guys or for myself. So yeah, today I'm actually gonna bring you guys along with me, like the physical. Maybe I should just bring my, no, I'll bring this out tonight or tomorrow, but I'm gonna try to bring y'all actually with me today because last night I didn't even get like, they didn't even check bags, so I could have brought y'all, but it's okay. So I'm gonna get ready and then I'm gonna get ready and then I'm gonna talk to y'all in a sec. Today. Oh no, I thought I already lost like important lashes. Yeah, I think one fell out there. It's whatever. I'll figure it out. Alright, bye guys. Right. Ladies, my hair's still not dry.
All my ladies, can you hear me? Throw your hands up and
We on these scooters. But
hey vlog, you know, just
she always says that. Hey vlog.
hey vlog, we're just riding the scooters.
Oh, we
today.
found them.
We're just riding the scooters today. It's your typical Courtney guest appearance.
She's still talking to camera, I know her. Yeah, they is struggling. No, I mean it's okay. You can talk to the, oh shit.
Don't fall down.
I don't know how much, I don't think I can hold it and ride though for real.
If you had if you could put your camera up here, that'd be different. But I don't think
No.
y'all slow. Alright, lead the way.
Alright. We about to be out, y'all.
Can I tell us some shit? In case my lack of reply had you catching them feelings. Know you been on my mind like Kaepernick killings, or police killings, or Trump saying slick shit, manipulating poor white folks because they ignorant, blind to the struggles of the ones that got the business. Lately I've been stressing cause it seems so malignant. I need to feel your essence in my presence. If you with it, I guarantee you won't regret you.
Look, I was about to leave your stuff over here. I got you. Look, somebody has to be responsible. You're right.
You ain't never lie. You ain't never lie. This is pretty though. Go, go, go! I need a ride. I need a ride. In the midst of me messing around with Paulina, somebody stole my scooter. So I'm out of a scooter. And hold on. She's calling.
You really do look like someone's pet. That shit is still up there. Yeah. I like that. Yeah, man. Yo, this playlist is fire. Because I really would tear this place up. They don't want that.
They don't want
that
it.
performance from Leader.
They don't want that performance?
Mike. Hey. Hey. Pick it up. Okay, happy birthday.
Hey, boy. Wait, whose birthday is it? It had to be the one in the white dress. The white dress, yes. They is killing it. Let me get them. I'm awkwardly getting them. We got about 2 seconds. So we're at 12 stories. I did not record the whole night, but it's time to go. Sydney rated 10 out of 10.
I would give this place a 7. 7.
You gave the other place a 9.
The food was better. What we give? Oh, what I give this? The food was the
Okay, yeah, next. What do you give it? You give it a
7. A smooth 7. I would say
7.5.
I would say the ambiance has a 10. Vibes are 10.
Yeah, vibes are 10. Ambiance
What is this?
7.
Oh,
7.
I'll give it a definitely. Oh, I would give it a 8.5.
You breaking your back.
I'd give it an 8.5. How we feeling? I could take some more. We got associates over here. It's not nothing but a thing.
Listen, go ahead.
So look, here I need you. I need you.
They said that wasn't it. That wasn't it. Yep. This one is 10 years. I am not your photographer because I'm not good at that. Okay, so it was a 7.5. What do you say? 7. Why? Explain.
The po' boy was not good. Don't get the po' boy.
Oh, the food they was hype about was it?
The crab dip was it though.
Okay.
I enjoyed it.
I give that place a solid 8. I did eat my food though, to be honest with you. And the vibe was immaculate. So I would give it a solid. This is upside down. She turned my phone upside down. Anyway.
Ladies, our list is about to come up.
All rise. All rise. Hey, where y'all going?
But the Uber is almost here.
And then there were 3.
Well, I guess we can go downstairs.
Yeah.
The other thing is I've like started smoking again
I gotta get these daddies rich. Just tell them that keep me bitch lit. Yeah, if you gon' shoot, for nigga you better shoot. I know what the bulletproof. I got diamonds on my tooth. I got diamonds on my hand. I got diamonds on my friends. I got diamonds on my friends. Let the story begin.
Come get it back in blood. Yeah, I get it back in blood. Yeah.
See y'all tomorrow because, yeah. Go ahead.
Hey, oh. Stop. Don't turn this whole bitch out. Come on! We want you to. Kiara done took over the Insta story.
She did. Yeah, I'm like, okay. I thought you was about to get with it, so I was just. You gonna give us some?
Give me that. Give me that. Know you like this how I leave in the light. To be in the back. Give me. This is just like the TikTok.
Yo. Alright, little 2-step.
Okay. Here
1
and
2. 1 and 2. Bring it around. Here it goes. Woo! Hey. Okay, hit. Call me like a drop it. Hey, no. Okay.
Courtney, pick up the cup. I can't really explain it. I'm so weird. I really like what don't tell me how many times explain it. I'm so weird. Trying to act like she's not drinking. Don't you ever leave.
Y'all hear the vocals?
My side.
Okay.
Yes, I feel so right.
What's this?
Oh shit. Oh
my God.
Bobby Valentino.
This is my song.
Alright. This ain't song. This ain't song. Come on, Paulina. Bell roll. Okay.
They said they don't know the words. It's dark with sunglasses.
I can't see a motherfucking thing.
But I look cute though.
But you look cute though.
All right, let's drink, ladies. Drink, glasses up. I'm already past all glasses up.
You gotta be at the boat.
Okay, you're an alcoholic. Be proud.
You gotta get the check soon. And we're going to the hotel.
Clink. I need y'all to clink. Clink. This is our last round.
Last round. Oh. I don't just hurt this round. I think I'm fucking out.
So wait. Are we buying tickets to the I got my phone. That shit broke. It won't go sad, bro.
Honestly,
Just end it.
It's kind of giving.
it's giving Babbage energy here. That's what it's giving.
It's giving that. I think
It's
so.
giving.
Oh, okay.
It's giving mom just
Mom,
came in
I'm
the
gonna
picture.
say it's
Mom
giving
just
mom
came in the
just
picture.
came
That's what
in.
it's giving.
Not mom. Courtney, you look just like your mama, bro. For real,
Bro, don't tell
bro.
me
You
that.
look just like your
You look
mama.
pretty.
She's gorgeous.
She is pretty.
She's
But I
gorgeous.
love my mama to death though.
Look,
I don't know what I'd do without her.
Courtney only talks to me when she's drunk. So
literally
I've
same.
been FaceTiming
Same.
I'm FaceTiming your ass.
Hold on.
Where's the Uber? This is literally the sister I never
Did look, but I love her so much, bro. I love her so much.
Literally.
Y'all, this how you know they drunk. Cause she aggressive as
She don't
fuck.
ever be like this. She don't ever be like, I'm letting her get makeup on my shirt. I don't give a
No, we
Okay,
good.
look.
We good.
This him?
Okay, Sydney.
Is this the car? Where? Hold on. She's not.
I feel like busting loose.
Come on.
Busting loose.
Go next.
If you drunk, bottomless mimosa is the only thing there. Period. What? Period.
Period. Oh shit, Courtney don't walk. Okay, I'm a vlogger. Oh, look at them.
Yo, Courtney the broke up with the shoe. Damn, poor thing. Yo, my shit broke too though. It's alright.
Update, Courtney done broke
Shoe.
She has broken 2 shoes.
Courtney, what the fuck?
Let's show her the shoe. Boom.
How did you do that?
I only wore it like
Ouch.
What is this?
I'm sorry.
What
Oh
is
my
it?
god.
You can't trust her with
Courtney
no damn
don't got
shoe.
nothing to wear
Wow.
into the hotel.
That bitch gonna be on
Courtney gonna be
one
walking.
foot, one shoe, and one foot.
What a moment. Look at the siblings. The siblings. Ow!
Hey, what's up?
What's up? Shout out to the YouTube channel.
Shout out to the YouTube channel.
Little baby.
Little baby A coming out.
Shout out.
Hey, you better subscribe, man.
Subscribe. Guys.
My fat ass make your knees touch your elbows.
What about? It's really nice though. I really can't see. Jenny, where's my glasses? Where's your glasses?
They're on your head. They're on your head.
I got my people in here today. It's a great day. It is, what's today? July 1st? Or July, I think it's July 1st. That's crazy.
I'm on the way, get you. I'm on the journey, got no fear.
Half of our friends are like, wow.
Oh, yeah, that's okay.
Y'all see the duck?
Oh,
you see that?
Hey, shout out to DC, man.
How are you? I got your kids though. Look at your son.
Your little one.
I'm taking pictures. Come on. I gotta get my film picture.
Oh, hold on.
Okay, hold on. Okay, guys, hold on. I gotta get one. Hey, my girl. No, that's
She woke up. This one trying to hide from the sun. Hydration. H2O. There we go. Okay.
Courtney.
My girl Courtney's still real down there.
She went down for the count. She have a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, Sid. Come on.
What is it? The slick back?
You're
right. Some good contact.
No.
You better start to hit these two.
No. We already got fired. I got fired.
I'm passing the ball to somebody. What? Okay.
Okay.
You talking too much.
Whoa.
I'm passing the phone. The quiet one.
So fucking aggressive. What? Where? Coming to me.
This is why I call her aggressive, because she is loud.
Give me the damn phone. I'm passing the phone. You put this over there.
I look blind.
I'm a weak bitch.
Yeah, but hookah's so bad for you.
I know. That's what I tell them.
We are locked out, and our friends are inside. We are locked out. I like her outfit.
Thank you, and I'm professional.
I like both of them.
Make it do what it do. Told it get loose like it loose. When it get loose like the news. Treat that girl like overload. Get on my lap with that pussy for crew. Atlas is all in the room. Pouring one over your roof. I put my dick in your boot. She is no longer your boo. 2200 in my shoes. Nike's like that shit, they swoosh. Fuck on that bitch and I move. You know my baby get roof. Wait, it is in blue. But that little bit and I start saying close. Pop your edge for some shoes. My nigga making the news. Yeah, base it on the bus, it's on it.
Bruh.
Somebody go upstairs, please. Somebody go upstairs.
I got you.
No. You got the key?
I got it.
Because I can't hold it. City, I'm sorry. I can't hold it.
And then there were two.
I want to be so bad.
What is going on? Like, it's a level on 5?
Yeah.
Here, run if you have to. I'm gonna be slow.
What is it? 556?
556. I'm about to take these shit off and run with you. Okay. My foot is busted up. She's a real one. My foot is so busted up. It's crazy.
Your foot?
Yeah, these dang shoes.
Oh, they hurt?
They don't hurt. It's just the plastic digs into my shoe. I mean, my foot. Wait, they're up here? I think so. I don't know how they got up here so fast.
Hey, you slow.
Packing my shit up and baby, I'm leaving. Get out your feelings in a couple seasons. Sucking on titties like I've been teasing. Kicking on knee like I've been grieving. Running that dick up for no reason. Like I'm a bird party. Chilling with Jerry Shorty. Coming Celine's on. You should have seen it. You should have seen it. Nigga, I mean it. Like I'm a bird party. You should have seen it. Thank you, Jesus. All of these bitches straight up with the bed.
These are the milk cities.
Child. I don't think she's built for these bikes. You're not built? We made it! Y'all wanna say anything?
I'm not gonna make it.
She gonna make it. Shy, you wanna say anything? No.
She don't wanna say shit.
You wanna say anything?
I made it.
Barely. I done bust my ass on the damn scooter perking it.
She did.
Nobody else know that but me and Kiara, so it's okay. Let's see y'all. She better not lock the door.
Did she get your key?
She took the key. I just spit everywhere. She took the key.
Damn. You're not there yet?
Dang, it's 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock or whatever. I know she's lying, bro. I know. I know she fucking lying. You better open Niagara Falls quick.
They still not here?
Oh.
That's what I'm saying. What are y'all doing? Uber. Lit.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
Why are they still not here?
Niggas wanted to pay dollars.
Just like Kevin Keenan, headed that niggas be plotting and scheming. They playing offense and I'm playing defense. Hit up niggas when I scream to my reasons. Put on their to my worst, start tracing.